Ngibingelele kuwe mlaleli, ngiyathemba uthaphilayo. Mina ngizocela kuwe-ke laphana-ke ukuthi-ke uma ngabe usamusha-ke kulo-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke wenze okulungile-ke laphana-ke ungixhase-ke ucindezele-ke ibhathini usubscribe nje, akubizi imali, kumahhala nje ukhiphe nesenti-ke elimnyama-ke leli-ke khona ukwazi ukuthi-ke uthole nezinye-ke iy'ndaba-ke ezintsha-ke nje engizokulethela zona-ke kulo-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke kusukela-ke manje-ke. So ungakwenza njengamanje ukuthi-ke ucindezele-ke ibhathini usubscribe njengamanje-ke. Udaba kulethele lona namhlanje ithi-ke umlisa-ke laphana-ke ufuna phansi phezulu-ke laphana-ke uJacob Zuma-ke laphana kuyacelwa ukuthi-ke ongakwazi-ke noma-ke onamandla ukuthi-ke amtholele uJacob Zuma-ke amtholele-ke laphana waveza-ke nesizathu ukuthi-ke indaba-ke afune-ke uJacob Zuma-ke kanje. Kodwa-ke angifuni-ke ukuthi mina ukuthi-ke wezwa ngami kuphela nje into enza nje dlala-ke ividiyo yakhe lo mlisa-ke uzuzwele wena ukuthi uthini-ke. Mina sengicela laphana uma sizwile-ke le vidiyo lena ungene ema-comment section-ke ufushe umbono wakho ngalo lolu daba-ke lolu-ke ukuthi-ke wena-ke ucabanga kanjani-ke. Mase ucindezela nebhathini nje usubscribe nje akubizi imali, kumahhala nje ukhiphe nesenti-ke elimnyama-ke leli-ke khona uzokwazi ukuthi uqhubeke uthole nezinye-ke iy'ndaba ezintsha-ke nje engizolobe ngikufakela zona-ke kulona-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke. Nawe-ke le video-ke awuyithokozele.
Good afternoon, the 17th of July, 2024. I'm humbly requesting them to get an assistant. I'm seeking then, help then to be assisted to meet former president Ubaba then Jacob Zuma. The reason why I wanna meet with him, the day then when he took then Billy Downer and this a journalist then the racist journalist then in called in Pietermaritzburg. I was interviewed by the Newsroom Africa then regarding the status quo of the politics in South Africa going forward. And there's a live video that I made and I prophesied that Jacob Zuma would be a key player then in South Africa, and also the killers of Chris Hani Walus will be released in jail because then Zondo needing to pay then the masters that they've given him then the position of being a chief justice going forward. In short, yeah. So then I'm asking then if I can get an assistant so that I can meet with Comrade then Zuma regarding that, and also then the whole video then to dissect it with everything that I've said. And the other thing is that there's more going forward then to be revealed. So people, they might think maybe then I like a free publicity or a stunt, but then it's very important. I know it's not easy, but then those who are close to Comrade Zuma, can I please meet you, Baba, because then there's more to offer and more than to tell. Yeah, well, I'm like Himuloi from Midval.